Hi friends, today let us discuss about the crisis management. Crisis can happen in personal life, business and also in public administration. How a leader handles a crisis situation tells about his leadership caliber. People usually react in two fashions. One, that of a knee-jerk reaction. Another, a composed, calm and confident handling of the situation. I will illustrate the difference by quoting two separate incidents. Incidents are not comparable. One is a crime, while another was a pure accident. Therefore, the intention is only to compare the way the authorities handle the incident post occurrence. What has happened in Hathras was most unfortunate and strongly condemnable. A young girl from a poor family hailing from Dalit community was subjected to gang rape and was inflicted severe injuries leading to her death. The culprits are from strong and powerful, rich Thakur community. Unfortunately, government was seen eager to hush up the matter and suppress any protest arising. The government, which actually should have been supporting the weak, were obviously seen on the wrong side. They hurriedly cremated the body, didn't hand over the body to the family to perform the last rites. They closed the village for press and politicians, and huge outcry has arisen even at national level. Finally, government had caved in, suspended the police officials, transferred the case to CBI for investigation to avoid the casteist bias alleged against the local police officials, requested the Supreme Court to oversee the investigation by the CBI, and opened the locality, village and family for the press and the politicians. But all after the damage was already done. What has happened in the construction site of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, DMRC, was a pure accident. A huge crane collapsed, killing 8 workers and injuring several. Sri E. Sridharan, the chief executive of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, himself rushed to the spot, oversaw the rescue operations. He visited the hospitals where the injured were being treated. He deputed DMRC officials along with the body of deceased workers to their villages. They stood with the family in the time of their distress. Sridharan sir came back to DMRC office, immediately called for a press conference. In the press conference, he explained the accident in detail to the journalists. He told them there was no human error, it was only a pure accident, and he don't suspect any sabotage. He informed them that whatever possible help is being extended to the families of the deceased, and legal compensation will be given to them without any litigation. All those who are in hospitals are being taken care of. DMRC will ensure that they are given the best possible medical treatment. He also said DMRC will take care to avoid such incidents in future. DMRC, rather Sridharan sir, came out open and clean. These two incidents illustrates how the administration can handle a crisis situation. Let me conclude praying for the hapless victim in Hathras. Let us wish that the CBI will book the culprits and get them the maximum possible punishment as per law. See you again. Bye.